In this video, I'll show you how you can deploy your Google AI Studio project to Netlify. So it's really simple, just follow my steps. Once you have your project open in Google AI Studio, hover your mouse in top right corner and click on this GitHub, save to GitHub. Then you need to type your repository name, so for example test, then repository description, so you can type whatever you want. Then you can either choose private or public. So for this example, I'm gonna choose public, but you can choose private. And then click on create a Git repository. Then you need to connect your GitHub account. I already have connected my account, so I'm gonna just click on stage and commit all changes. Click on this. Now we can close this and open Netlify. So now from Netlify, go to project section and click on add a new project. Click on import an existing project. Then select GitHub. This will connect to your GitHub account. If you don't see your repository here, you can click on configure the Netlify app on GitHub. Click on this. And from here scroll and click on all repositories and click save. Now as you can see, I have all repositories here. So the one I wanted to connect was this test, this one. I'm gonna click on it, then then choose your project name. Let's say test. I'm gonna add some numbers. As you can see, project name is available. Now you can choose branch to deploy. So main. You can also set a base directory. And once everything is good, click on deploy. So this will deploy your app. And as you can see, it's now green. So this means it's successfully deployed. And from here, you can add your custom domain or you can add a database. And that's it. That's how you can deploy your Google AI Studio project to Netlify. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.